Hello students, you know all that previous time I discussed with you all three equation of motion. Number one, that is what? V is equal to U plus AT. This is our first equation of motion. Second equation I discussed, that is S is equal to UT plus half AT square. Okay. Third I discussed with you all V square minus U square is equal to 2as. After that I discussed with you all Newton second law of motion. By this law we got there F is equal to mass into acceleration, and we know that P is equal to mass into velocity. So we can say we have means 5 formulas for solving the equation of motion and the different related terms in the form of numericals. Today I will discuss with you all numerical problems related to all these three equation of motion and means for both these formulas, force is equal to mass into acceleration and momentum is equal to mass into velocity. Clear? Okay students, so first of all one thing you have to keep in your mind before solving the numerical. Number one, you will search in the whole question or numerical which things you have to find out. Means first of all, which things will you search? Means condition for solving the numericals. Number one, you have to find out that which things you have to find out in the given question. Number one, finding things you have to search first. Second thing, you will write those things which are given terms. Clear? Third, in the given terms you have to check one thing, means system of units. Clear na? Means you have to create all functions units in only one form. It can be in SI system or it can be in CGS system. This is the means important. This term is the system of units is the important term, important condition. Clear? Next thing, what will you do? You have to put their formula, write their formula. Then all values you will put in the formula. Clear? And then calculation, then you will find out easily the answer of the given question. So these things you have to keep in your mind before solving the question or numerical. Clear? Those students simply don't know the formula, first of all you have to learn all these three given equation. After that you will apply all these three equation and both formula for solving the given equation. Okay, now we are going to solve a few questions. By this you can understand, I can clear your concept. Okay, now we are going to solve now question number 1. This is the given question. First of all, read the statement. One thing, listen. A cricket ball of mass 70 kg moving with a velocity of 0.5 meter per second is stopped by a player in 0.5 second. What is the force applied by the player to stop the ball, assuming force to be constant? Okay, means this term no need to mention here. Simply first of all you have to focus on the given question. What will you do? Listen carefully. Means those things, first of all I told you that which you have to find out. Focus on that thing only. Listen here. What is the force applied? Means which things are asking? What force? Means which thing you have to find out? Force. You have to find out. Now second condition is there, given terms. Given terms is what? A cricket ball of mass. A cricket ball of mass, how much? Mass is given how much? 70 gram. What? 70 gram. Okay, come on the second point. Moving with a velocity of 0.5 meter per second is stopped. We can say means body has a velocity, means ball has a velocity how much? 0.5 meter per second. Then it is stopped na, means after some time. So we can say this velocity will be the initial velocity. This velocity will be the initial velocity, and stopped means this is the final velocity. You can say we have a ball, its mass is how much? 70 gram. This ball is moving with a 0.5 meter per second velocity. Now in the last moment it will come at a rest position. It stopped. So we can say at that time this will be the final velocity and this is what? Initial velocity. Clear? According to the demand of the question you have to think. So we can say mass is 70 kg. So we can say u is equal to how much? 0.5 meter per second, and v is equal to how much? 0 meter per second. Okay or not? Okay, but one thing you can see, gram is in the form of CGS system and meter is in the form of SI system. So first of all we have to convert this unit, means mass, also in the SI system. How will you convert? Simply gram convert into the kilogram. You will divide it by 1000. You will get how much? 0.07. 0 also you can write, but no problem, kg. Okay or not? Okay, so simply now we can solve. So we can say, first of all, focus on, now write the formula. We know that formula is equal to what? Mass into acceleration. We know mass is equal to how much? 0.07 kg. Clear? U is equal to how much? How much? Tell me, students. 0.5 meter per second. Initial velocity is equal to what? Final velocity is equal to what? 0. Simple 0 meter per second. So first of all we have to find out acceleration, but we need time. Time also given in the given statement. 1 second. Time also given here. 0.5 second. How much time is given there? 0.5 second. So we can say time is equal to 0.5 second. Okay, then find out acceleration. We know that acceleration is equal to what? Initial velocity, final velocity minus initial velocity upon time. Clear now? We can say this is what? Final velocity minus initial velocity is equal to time. Then find out what? V is equal to how much? 0 minus u is equal to how much? That is what? 0.5. Or time is equal to how much? Time. Tell me, students, time. Time is equal to how much? 0.5 second. So we will get how much? 0.5 divided by 0.5. So we can say, so negative sign, this is negative value. The negative sign will come, cancel out. We will get -1 unit of acceleration, that is meter per second square. Okay or not? Okay. Clear, students? So we can say acceleration is equal to -1 meter per second square. So we can say this is retardation, means decreasing. We know that velocity is initial was there 0.5, now reached up to where? At 0 point now. So we can say here is the retardation in velocity. So you can find out force easily. Force is equal to what? Mass into acceleration. Then mass is equal to how much? 0.07 kg into what? We can say how much? -1. We can say we will get how much? -0.07 unit of force is Newton. So this is the result we will get here simply after solving. F is equal to -0.07 Newton. So simply we can say this negative sign is showing that force is going to in retardation. Force is going on, means on here there in decreasing manner. Okay or not? Okay. So we can say this negative sign represent retarding force. This negative sign means showing here retarding means decreasing force. Okay, student. Next question. Okay, students, this is our second question. First of all, focus on the statement. A constant force of 5 Newton is applied continuously on a body of mass 10 kg for a 4 second. The body moves 800 centimeter along a straight line. What is the velocity of a body when the force was applied initially? Initially means in first step. So we can say there he is asking velocity, but initial velocity is asking. He is not asking about the final velocity. Means we can say he is asking initial velocity. We can say that is u. Okay or not? Okay. Second thing, listen here. We have 3 equations. Now later I will tell. First of all, we have those things which are given. Force is given how much? 5 Newton, and mass is given 10 kilogram. This is an SI system. This also, and time also given 4 seconds. This also in SI system. The body moves 800 centimeter. Means we can say distance we will denote by s, displacement, your choice. So we can take that is the 800 centimeter, but this is in CGS system. Convert in the SI system, we will get how much? 8 meter. Clear? And u we have to find out. Clear? One thing, listen, we can find out u means velocity by only equation of motion. We have 3 equation. V is equal to u plus at, s is equal to ut plus half at square, v square u square equal to 2as. Clear? But one thing, listen, देखो, we need here u, we have to find out u. So if we will apply first equation, acceleration we don't have, okay, we will find out by this formula. T we have, okay, but we have no na, u we have no na, so this equation we will not apply. One time we can find out only one unknown things, not if we if there is a two things we will find out that unknown, so that equation we will not apply. So in this case, listen, s is given, yes, u we have to find out, t is given, yes, 1 by 2, a is not given, by this formula we can find out, t given, okay, we can find out by this one only, this also is not applicable because time is given, but in this equation time is not given. First of all, we will find out acceleration. So listen students, f is equal to ma, clear? To find out a is equal to what? F by m, or what is f? F is equal to how much? 5 Newton. What is m? M is equal to how much? 10. So simply we can say 1 by 2 is equal to 0.5, at unit of it what? Meter per second square. Yeah, you can take simply 1 by 2, no problem. So we can write that is the 1 by 2 meter per second square, no problem. Clear? So simply we have to find out u. So see here, those things which are given, so we will use second equation of motion for finding the solution of the for finding the initial velocity. Clear? Then listen students, s is equal to what? S is equal to what? Ut plus half at square. Clear? So s is given how much? 8. U we have to find out. T is given how much? 4 second, plus half a is given how much? 1 by 2. T is given how much? 4 square. So this function we have to find out, means u. Clear? First of all, solve this equation. 8 is equal to what? 4u, okay, plus 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 into, we can write that is what? 4 into 4. This is in addition, and we can say all these things in multiplication. So simply we can cancel out, cancel that, 2 to 2, this 2 to 2 cancelled, we will get there how much? 4. How much we will get? 4. Okay students, so we can say we will get here this equation. Clear? So we can write this equation in simplest form. How we will write here? Listen, 4u plus 4 is equal to 8. If x equal to y, so you can write y equal to x. Both things are equal. Both things are equal. Clear? So this 4 moves another side. We can say u is equal to 8 minus 4. Then u is equal to 4. 8 minus 4 is equal to 4. Okay students, any doubt now? So simply we can say here 4 u is equal to 4 and u is equal to 4 by 4 is equal to 1, or this is initial velocity. We can write that meter per second. So we will get here initial velocity u is equal to 1 meter per second. This is a very simple solution of the given question. Okay students, third question.